Hey everyone, welcome back to WorkEap, your go-to channel for all things work boots. I'm Paul, and today we're diving into the best Keen work boots out there. We've selected these products based on Amazon reviews, so you know they're top-notch. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. And remember, these boots are not in any particular order, so make sure to stick around until the end. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Alright, let's kick things off with the Keen Cincinnati Composite Toe Waterproof Wedge Work Boots. These boots are designed with a composite toe, offering great protection without the extra weight. They're also waterproof, so you can keep your feet dry in any condition. The wedge design provides excellent comfort and support, making them perfect for long hours on the job. If you're interested in these boots, make sure to check the link in the description below. Next up, we have the Keen Lansing Mid-Height Steel Toe Waterproof Work Boots. These boots feature a sturdy steel toe for maximum protection, and their mid-height design offers great ankle support. They're also waterproof, ensuring your feet stay dry no matter the conditions. Plus, they provide excellent support and comfort for those long work days. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Moving on, we have the Keen San Jose Alloy Toe Waterproof Wedge Work Boots. These boots come with an alloy toe, providing solid protection while keeping the boots lightweight. They're also waterproof, so your feet stay dry in any weather. The wedge design adds to the comfort and flexibility, making them a great choice for those long work hours. Interested in these boots? Check the link in the description below. Now, let's take a look at the Keen Pittsburgh Leather Waterproof Steel Toe Work Boots. These boots are made from durable leather, providing both style and ruggedness. They feature a steel toe for maximum protection and are waterproof to keep your feet dry in any conditions. These boots are built to withstand tough environments while offering great comfort. Make sure to check the link in the description for more information. Next, we have the Keen Milwaukee Steel Toe Work Boots. These boots are designed with a steel toe for maximum protection and durability. They offer excellent comfort and support, making them perfect for long work days. The rugged construction ensures they can handle tough environments, providing you with reliable performance. If you're interested in these boots, don't forget to check the link in the description below. Finally, we have the Keen Detroit XT Mid-Height Steel Toe Waterproof Work Boots. These boots feature a steel toe for excellent protection and a mid-height design for added ankle support. They're also waterproof, ensuring your feet stay dry in any conditions. These boots are versatile and built to handle various work environments while providing great comfort. Check the link in the description for more details. And there you have it, folks. Those are some of the best Keen work boots you can find. Remember, you can check the links in the description to get more details and make your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to WorkEap for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.